So we're here at Metcalf Bottoms, like picnic area park here in the middle of Gatlinburg, Tennessee, in the Great Smoky Mountains. We got a beautiful spot here, right on the creek. All the kids are playing in the water, and we're gonna have a little picnic morning brunch. It is a Saturday, but we actually got lucky with a spot here right by the creek. Got my water shoes on. We'll definitely take a dip. We got some mimosas going. Aaron's gonna make us some breakfast burritos, right, Aaron?
I'm gonna try.
We are Kim and Aaron, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us. RVTV. Mimosas with lemonade.
Yeah.
We brought our own Blackstone grill from the RV with all their cooking stuff.
We didn't want to play with charcoal today.
Yeah, they do have their charcoal grills here. Cheers, ladies! Happy Creek Day! Aaron, smells amazing. I'm pretty sure you're making everybody here really jealous right now.
We look like we know what we're doing.
We do. We're professionals. Gonna try and walk down here without falling. Wow. It is an absolutely gorgeous day out today. Just listening to the sound of the water, super relaxing. It's in the low 80s right now, so hopefully a nice dip in the creek will feel great. It's freezing! Oh my god, we're gonna go tubing tomorrow in this water. Oh boy. Woo-wee, it's cold. I brought my camping chair. I'm thinking about putting it right here in this water. I think that's the plan. There is a one-way bridge here. So the cars have to wait for the other cars to cross before you can go past. But you get this beautiful view on the creek. So pretty here. Make sure you get here early to get yourself a good spot. Our spot is like down over here that we picked. They have some spots on the creek, and then they have other spots that are not on the creek, so you got to get here early if you want a creek spot. Definitely recommend it. They also have bathrooms here, so you don't have to worry about that. Here is one of the restrooms that's closest to us. A lot of people are bringing their inner tubes. I mean, the creek seems kind of low to me for that, but I'm sure certain times you can float down in the tube, or you can just sit in the tube and relax in the water. I mean, it is June, towards the end of June, and the water's still a little chilly, so just be prepared for that. How's it going, Aaron?
Going.
You making us some breakfast burritos?
Alright, I just finished up our breakfast burritos. We got some cheese, bacon, eggs, all on the Blackstone. We're gonna top it with some sour cream and salsa.
Woo, baby.
Yum.
Here's our delicious breakfast burritos. Eggs, bacon, cheese, sour cream, salsa, mimosas. How is it? Delicious? Yum. Those were absolutely freaking delicious. Thanks, Aaron. Okay, we're down by the creek. I am now filming on my brand new GoPro. We got the GoPro so we could do some fun water activities. I hope the picture comes out just as good as our regular camera. But we're now in the creek. I brought my chair down. It's freezing. I'm trying to get used to the water. I got my water shoes on, my chair. My friends. Hey friends.
Hi.
That's my best friends.
The girls are down drinking their mimosas in the creek. KR.
Oh, hi.
Hey. What's up, guys?
It's cold. It's
This view is beautiful. All the mountains. It's cold.
We're having a great time, but yeah. Well, we're getting used to it. Kinda.
You're gonna warm up. Their mimosas will warm them up.
Can you bring me mine?
Thank you, ma'am.
Delivery service.
Yes, with a smile.
Where's the tip jar?
Is the water cold?
I didn't get a warning about this. I thought you were
We
kidding.
tried to warn you. Be prepared for the chilly water. But I'm already getting used to it. It's like almost up to my knees. I may take a seat. Who knows?
Sitting here all day.
Seriously.
I think I'm kind of maybe a little bit getting used to the water, but it's cold. It's definitely cold.
At least your butt's not in it.
Yeah.
Aaron, do not fall on these rocks. Do you hear me? We have a job to do. Can't have you out of commission.
I make no promises. I am a klutz.
Just beware, everybody. The rocks are very slippery and everywhere, so you can easily twist an ankle real quick
Wow, they're
and
so
fall
slippery.
in your butt.
It's an FYI.
There's a snake.
It's creeping.
There's a snake. There's a snake. You see him? There he is.
He's scared of you. He turned around.
Oh, he went through the rocks.
We'll be
He went under the rock. If you have time to come here while you're on your vacay, highly recommend it. It is a beautiful place here. And it's a Saturday, middle of the afternoon. It's probably about 1 o'clock. There's some people floating in their tubes. Super relaxing here, super chill. Great day to spend your vacation here. But there's bugs, so bring bug spray. This is the one time where I'm wishing it was a little warmer out. You won't hear me say that often. I wish it was a little warmer and I want to go in this water more than just my feet. What'd you find? A walking stick?
Yeah.
So you won't fall?
Maybe.
Are you gonna go venture out?
Not yet.
Are you gonna sit down?
Maybe.
She's gonna sit down because she has to go pee.
Did you really say that?
They'll never tell. Guys, I'm venturing out. Hi ladies! Y'all sissies, come on, let's go. They want to see me fall. I know I should have took the walking stick. Ooh, the current's strong. I'm trying to make it to that big rock right there. Wish me luck, guys. Oh boy. Look at that. Wow. So happy to be here. Hope I don't drop my brand new GoPro. I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Oh my god, the current is really strong right here. It's trying to push me. I will succeed and make it to the rock. Yeah! Oh, look at them! They're like, oh, if Kim can do it, then we can do it. I made it to the rock. This is so beautiful. Now we're actually out in the sun. It feels great. We were in the shade over there in the chair, but this is awesome. Come on guys, you can do it! Keep following the path. You see there's a path right there, all the way in the water. You taking your shower? We're good to go for the day. Guys, this is awesome. So awesome. Just sitting here on the big rock, got my feet propped up. Here with my good friends. I think we're gonna take a seat. Where you going, Aaron? There's this pathway. It goes all the way over there. We picked a good spot. Watch out for snakes, Aaron. I got a nice flat skipping rock. Yeah. Look at this. I'm just sticking my hand in and I'm gonna pull up it. This is what's in here. Like, so cool. Us Florida girls are not used to this. Some people will be like, they're crazy, but to us, I'm used to beach sand. Who cares about that? Just kidding. We love the beach. We miss the beach. But this will do. Alright, we're starting to build our rock formation. What is this called?
Jenga.
Jenga Rocks? No. How many people does it take to build a rock pyramid tower? At least 4. You got a wet butt?
I have a wet butt now.
Did you go pee yet?
Not yet.
This is
I'm walking back.
our rock tower.
Nothing, I guess.
Apparently not.
Alright guys, I'm doing it. I'm gonna sit down. It's freezing. Come in. It's freezing. It's so cold. Get in the water.
I'm working on it.
Get in the water. Guys, this is the life right here. Like, I'm just gonna prop my foot up on this rock. Playing here in the creek.
Why don't you let me film you?
Having a great time.
Let me film you.
No thanks.
Yeah, you look happy.
Yeah.
I just put my butt in the water. I'm in it now. It's cold, but it's beautiful, so.
I think we told them it's cold.
Yeah. Maybe once or twice. But this is beautiful. Like, I'm so happy we've driven by here so many times, so I'm so glad our friends wanted to check it out because it made us take the time to do it. So we're happy.
Well worth it.
Yeah, you having fun, Christina?
Leave a comment.
You having fun, Kim?
Leave a comment if you think this view is gorgeous. Gonna miss this place. We definitely have to come back and check it out before we leave Tennessee. Erin, what'd you think of Metcalf Bottoms Park here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee?
We have really enjoyed it. It's such a nice little secluded, basically you can't see anything else but mountains and
Gorgeous here.
beautifulness.
Yes, highly recommend you come check this place out for sure.
Even if you just have a couple hours. We've only been here a few hours. It's been perfect. I mean, I would love to spend all day here. But we have plans tonight, so we're headed to the Hops in the Hills later.
Woo.
So that will be a future video you guys can check out as well. So otherwise we would probably hang out here all day today.
Seriously, I just sat my butt in the creek, propped up against a rock, and was just relaxing.
Can't get much better.
For sure, so come check this place out. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. And have a great day.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye.
Bye.